Welcome to Mohsin's Pakistan Perspective. In today's video we will share the MCQs question of science portion from Class 5 book. Chapter 1 Classification of Living Things. Kingdom Animalia deals with animal. Kingdom Plantae deals with plants. Kingdom Monera deals with bacteria. Kingdom Protista deals with eukaryotic organism. Kingdom Fungi deals with prokaryotic organism. 5 Kingdom classification proposed by Robert H. Whittaker in 1969. Eukaryotic cell are single cell, bacteria and fungi. Prokaryotic cell are multicellular, plants and animals. Study of algae, phycology. Study of fungi, mycology. Plants make their own food by photosynthesis. It's not take place in fungi. Calteria, ulvar and volvox are disease caused by algae. Animal is a Latin word means soul or breed. Animals are divided into two groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Animals with backbone are called vertebrates. Example, fish, amphibians, reptile, birds and mammals. Animals without backbone are called invertebrates. Example, worms, spider and insects. Vertebrates, animals that take on the temperature of their surrounding are cold-blooded. Examples, fish, amphibians and reptile. Vertebrates that maintain a constant body temperature are warm-blooded. Example, birds and mammals. A fish swims in water by fins, breathe by gills, body covered by scales. Types, 30,000. Amphibians live in land and water and lay egg in water. Example, frogs, toads, newts. Reptile mostly live on land and do often live in water and lay eggs on land. Example, snake, crocodile, tortoise. Kinds of birds. 9,000 Biggest bird, ostrich. Mammals give birth to their babies and feed them with milk. Bat is the only mammal that can fly. Kinds of insects, 80,000. They have 3-joined pair of legs. Earthworm are environment friendly. Goliath beetle found in Africa is heaviest insects. Discovered species of plants, 380,000. Plants group flowering and non-flowering plants. Fern and mosses are non-flowering plant. They have spores instead of seeds. Flowering plants are divided into monocot and dicot plants. Seeds of monocot plants contain 1 cotyledon and dicot plants contain 2 cotyledons. Monocot plants flower have 3 or multiple of 3 floral leaves and have parallel leaf ventation. Dicot plants flower have 4 or multiple of 4 floral leaves and have netted leaf ventation. Chapter 2 Microorganism. Microorganism mean virus, bacteria and fungi. Bacteria have 1 cell. Example, Escherichia. Flu and influenza are an example of virus. Largest microbes among virus, bacteria and fungi is fungi. Example, yeast. Virus are non-cellular organism. Penicillium is a fungus, produces antibiotic called penicillin. Disease caused by presence of microbial organism is called infection. Chapter 3 Seeds, their structure and germination. Type of seeds: monocot and dicot. Seed coat is called tester. The opening of the seed is called micropyle. Mini plants inside the seed, embryo, endosperm, stored food. Hypocotyl is structure that emerge from the soil of new plant. Root emerges first in plant. The process epigeal germination take place in dicot seed. The process hypogeal germination take place in monocot seed. Cotyledons remain inside the soil. Hypogeal germination. Cotyledons emerge above the ground. Epigeal germination. Seed need water, oxygen and proper temperature, mostly 16 to 24 centigrade, to germinate. Chapter 4 Environmental pollution. Air pollution contains solid, liquid and gas pollutants. It cause ozone depletion. Cholera, diarrhea and typhoid are caused by microbial pollutants. Asthma is caused by air pollution. Chapter 5 Matter and changes in its state. Melting point of ice, 0 centigrade. Evaporation is a process in which liquid change into gas. Condensation is a process in which water vapor change into liquid. Water is available in all three states of matter in water cycle. Tiny droplet of water. Moisture drops of water that form on cool surface due to condensation. Dew. Fog is a thick cloud of water droplets on Earth's surface. Chapter 6 Force and Machine. Friction is a force that stops things from moving easily and opposes motion. Friction is larger on rough and smaller on smooth surface. Friction between the air and moving object causes resistance. Gravity is a force of attraction between two objects. Quantity of matter in an object is mass, measured in kg. Weight is the pull of gravity measured in Newton. A lever, simple machine, is a longer bar which moves around a fixed point called fulcrum. Kinds of lever. In first kind of lever, fulcrum is between effort and load. In second kind, load is between effort and fulcrum. In third kind, effort is between fulcrum and load. Wedge has two slanting sides ending in a sharp edge. Chapter 7 Properties and Behavior of Light. Light is a form of energy which travels in straight line. Luminous objects produce and emit its own light. Non-luminous object does not produce light but reflects light that comes from luminous object. When light rays bounce back, it is called reflection. Transparent objects allow light to travel through them. Translucent objects allow some light to travel through them. Opaque objects do not allow light to travel through them. When light is blocked by them, shadow is formed. Speed of light in vacuum 300 million meters per second. Solar eclipse. When moon is between Earth and Sun. Lunar eclipse. When Earth is between moon and Sun. Moon have 8 phases. The phase of new moon, waxing crescent moon, last phase of moon, waning crescent moon. Chapter 8 Electricity and Magnetism. Electric circuit is flow of electrons through an electronic path. Symbols are used to draw circuit diagram. Fuse, also known as circuit breaker, are used in circuit to protect the appliance from damage. It has wire inside which stop the flow of current. Electron revolve outside the nucleus. Proton and neutron, made up of quark, present inside nucleus. Discoveries: electron J. Thomas in 1897, protons Ernest Rutherford in 1920, neutron James Chadwick in 1932. Lightning happen when oppositely charged cloud interact each other. Chinese were discoverer of magnetite, father of magnet, William Gilbert. Electromagnetic always need electricity. When two opposite poles of magnet are brought together, they attract. When balloons are rubbed with the wool's cloth, they repel. Chapter 9 Soils. Surface layer of land is soil. Types: sandy, silty, clay, loam. The organic matter in soil is humus. Loam is a mixture of sand, clay and silt. In erosion, soil is displaced from Earth's surface by agent. In decomposition, a dead organism is broken down into simple nutrient. Chapter 10 Our Solar System. SUPER-CO is National Space Agency of Pakistan. Sun weighs 330,000 times Earth's 1,300,000. Earths can fit in Sun. 109 Earths can be equal to Sun in size. Distance between Sun and Earth 150 million km. Sun age 4.5 billion years. Closest planet to Sun is Mercury, made up of iron. Brightest and hottest planet, Venus, also known as sister planet of Earth. Biggest terrestrial planets: Earth. Red planet, Mars. It has 2 moons, Deimos and Phobos. Largest planet, Jupiter. Its biggest moon, Ganymede, discovered by Galileo. Least dense planet, Saturn. Important moon, Titan, second largest in solar system. Green planet, Uranus. Moon 27. Largest moon, Titania. Farthest planet from Sun, Neptune. Rings 6. Moon 13. Meteoroids, shooting star. Asteroids are in between Mars and Jupiter, so called planetoids. Example: Vesta. Comets are made up of ice, dust and rocks, also called dirty snowballs. It has nucleus at center and a long tail due to the heat from the sun. The longest volcano of solar system, Olympus Mons, lies in Mars. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.